Question number 13 is, okay, a table is given x and fx, values of x and y, fx is y, x and y is given. So here when x is 0, y is 21, when x is 1, y is 32, okay, 29 plus 3 is 32. So here 1 is added and here 3 is added. Here again 3 is added, here 1 is added. So when you are adding 1 to x value, y value is increased by 3. Okay, that is the pattern of the question. Now let's see, because our question is for a linear function f, the table shows 3 values of x and their corresponding values of fx or y. Which equation defines fx? Okay, so 4 equations are given. Now let's first understand y is equal to mx plus b. This is the form where b is the initial value. What is initial value? Initial value, that means when there is no input or when x is 0, right? Now when x is 0, that is the y-intercept. And in that case, the coordinates, and in here in this case, this is b. So if you see this table, when x is 0, what is the value of y? When x is 0, value of y is 29. That is the initial value, right? That means we can replace it with 29. So 29, this A has 29 and C has 29. So these two options deleted. Now let's check what is m. M is actually rate of change. Rate of change, what is rate of change? Rise over run, right? Rise over run. Or that means, it also means change in y over change in x. Change in y over change in x. So we choose the language whichever is needed for that particular question. Now here in this table, we can see the change of values. So we can choose this one. If y changes with 3, there is a one value, for one value of x, y changes 3. So if it is 3, change in y is 3, change in x is 1. So that means slope is 3 by 1, or if it is 3 by 1, you can simply write as 3. That means this value is 3x plus 29. Now let's go to the option 3x plus 29. A is the right option.